Hi, good morning, Talon Adventures. I have read an article in a social media about this. He's asking, his or she, I don't know, how can he book a flight going to Dubrovnik? I think, yeah, that place. This is the funny thing, some OFW. You may hate me, but this is the real talk, no? You have mobile. Correct. You have mobile. You know how to browse. Correct. You can do reels. 100% correct. But you don't know where to find a ticket, know how to travel, etc. etc. What's the sense? You know you have a good mobile, but you don't know how to book a ticket. You're still asking. You don't know how to do research. It's very easy. Just go to Google, type here flights. See? You can go with Skyscanner, and other application is here. So you can book your flights. You can also check here in Google Flights also. For me, I use the apps in here are my apps. The ticketing. So I have booking.com. Here. I have Skyscanner. Any airlines you wish to go where you want, see? You have option here, car rental, flights, see? Here. There's a flight. So once you click this, like an this just an sample. So see, this is the flight you will have. You can search. So it's just easy. If you're looking for a 30 kg luggage, chicken luggage, you can also adjust it in the apps itself. Prior booking the ticket, you can add the chicken luggage itself. No hard. It's not hard than you say. Than do you expect? Same like when you're applying for the e-travel. I don't know. Some of the people are complaining that the e-travel is hard like this, and applying the OEC seems I don't understand. But they can do reels. They have lots of time in watching nonsense. I don't know what they watch, but for me, have a little time in watching current events to be updated, especially to us OFWs. What is the latest? How that all the tutorial is being found in the Facebook itself. Oh no, sorry, in the YouTube. You can ask in YouTube. Just type that. If you don't know, just go to the search button. Search how to apply OEC, how to check the OEC, how to check the e-travel like that. This is a real talk, guys. I know you're gonna hate me or what, but this is a real talk. I'm telling you that this I observe every time I travel. I don't know. We're already here in the year 2025, but this practice is still the same. I hear the airport. You don't have email like this, but you can do Facebook, you can do Reels, you can do other platform like TikTok, Instagram, but you don't know this e-travel. It's just a very basic. Study it, search it in the social media while you're browsing in Facebook, go or Google. You can check everything what you want. If you want to learn, search for tutorial instead of making a scene of the basic with this. If you don't know, ask the people who frequent travel instead of doing nothing. This is a real talk, guys. This is a real talk. And again, this is a real talk. If you if you may hate me, but this is the real talk I'm telling the world right now. Again, thank you and good morning.